Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. This is the start of my 5-minute practice series. I'm so excited to bring this series to you. This was something that my patrons over on Patreon and Ukulele Wine Club, heyo, voted on. I gave them a whole list of topics for other types of videos they wanted to see me create, and by far this is their top choice. So I'm very excited to bring this series to you. I'll be covering a whole bunch of different practice exercises here, from things that will help you strengthen your rhythm playing on your ukulele. And that means helping you with strumming patterns. You'll be more confident there. And especially if you're wanting to sing and play at the same time. So it all comes back to rhythm. We'll also do some harmony and melody exercises to strengthen your ears, help you understand chord progressions a little bit better. And bonus, it's just going to help you be able to play with other people as well. Thank you to my patrons for voting for this series. And without further ado, let's start. So we're going to start today with a rhythm practice exercise. Make sure your ukulele is in tune. Is my ukulele in tune? Now I'm in tune. Okay, we're going to start with the heartbeats, which I always talk about in my song tutorials, and the magic number in music, which is 4. So we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I want you to do, you can start here by just kind of tapping your heart. I always like to refer back to the heartbeat. I want you to tap your foot. Okay, so you can hear my foot tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. And go ahead and count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we're going to play a simple C chord on your ukulele. We're going to play 4 downstrokes and count to 4 while we do it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Keep tapping your foot. 4. Last time. 2, 3, 4. Now, let's play on beats 1 and 2. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep tapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's switch this to beats 3 and 4. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you find, awesome job, can you find 1 and 4? Let's see if you can try it. 1, 2, you try. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Nice. Doing this exercise nice and slow is going to strengthen your rhythmic feel on your ukulele. It's going to help you always feel that heartbeat. Plus, if you weren't already tapping your foot while you were playing, I highly recommend it. This rhythm exercise is going to help you have a stronger foundation when you go to play your strumming patterns. It's going to help you feel the music better. And it's also going to really help you if you're wanting to play music with other people. Your rhythm feel is going to start to get stronger and stronger. And you could even start to speed up this tempo. You could try doing this with a metronome. Other variations, you could try it with different chords on your ukulele. And then of course you can try different numeric combinations. So you could do like 1, 2, 4 or 2, 3, 4, or do like 2 measures and just really challenge yourself there. So I'll put some more ideas down below. Let me know if you try it out, and I hope that you join me for more 5-minute practice exercises. Cheers! Ukulele wine time!